Hey guys, this is Antonietti from Antonietti Marine. I've got Glasstream's 36 Pro XS. We're going to run through some of the features, get it out of the water, and see what you can do. You've got a huge front lounge area, enough room to seat a lot of people. It is elegant. We're no longer in a fishing boat. This is hanging out. This is poker run boat all day long. Everything's got storage underneath of it. Got your cup holders, USB ports on the sides there. Nice storage section right up here for all of your fenders. And then no windlass up there in the front. Everything is all flushed in. Alright, so now we're all talking about how fun this boat is, and these things are great for going to the sandbar and great for poker runs. You can fish off these things. Look at this fish box that they give you. I mean, that'll hold a lot of catch. Storage on the sides of the boat. This one over here is your battery management system. So we've got all your battery switches, some of your main fuse breakers, your windlass controls, charger port. This front seat here is where you notice the difference. Your front porta potty area is just huge. You can step down in there. You've got your little wash down, your sink, your full head in there. So it's just nice that somebody actually made something that you can use, which is really cool. They do some nice fun stuff, like you've got your sunroof here in the center, and your electronics box is also built in. So you can put some electronics up there, keep it out of the way, but still accessible. Your console, nice open floor plan on it, a lot of room to put different electronics in there. So if you want, 3 smaller units or 2 larger units, you can kind of do whatever you want to do. Controls, your light controls, trim tab controls, everything is just right there at your fingertips. It's really easy to get to. Nothing's difficult, nothing's hard to find. Everything makes sense as you're using the boat. Come back a little bit, your helm seat, real nice, drop down bolsters, couple bolsters here. So if you want to sit as you're driving, you can do that. You can flip them down if you're a little higher speeds and you want to be sucked into the seat for security. Back behind it, we've got a little cooler section here, your rear sink, drink holders. My favorite part of this boat is the back lounger. That is just a real comfortable area to sit. Of course, the farther you go back in the boat, the smoother the ride is, and that's the queen spot right there. That's it. Over here, this particular boat's set up with a inflatable pump. So if you guys are tubing or anything like that, you don't got a rear walk-through transom, and a nice transom area to be able to walk left or right on the boat. Rear live well here with a separated section in the side, so if you want to have some like greenbacks on this side and some shrimp on this side, they're not intermixed. You can keep it all separated out, but still using that one large live well. This particular boat's run with triple Mercury 400s. You can do a lot of different power plants on this.